So my brothers and sisters, the question is this. What are the issues that become between us and gratitude? One is ghafla, not being mindful of the ni'am. And that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us in the Quran of his ni'am, so we become alert. And he said, أَفَرَأَيْتُمُ الْمَاءَ الَّذِي تَشْرَبُونَ. Do you see the water that you drink? Allah said, don't take it for granted. أَأَنْتُمْ أَنزَلْتُمُوهُ مِنَ الْمُزْنِ. Are you the one human being brought this water from the heaven, from the sky, or from the ground? أَرَأَيْتُمْ مِنْ أَصْبَحَ مَاؤُكُمْ غَوْرًا فَمَنْ يَأْتِيكُمْ بِمَاءٍ مَعِينٍ. If I take this water from you, human being, what are you going to do with the money you have and the prestige and the army and everything you have? What are you going to do if I take the water out? You would die. Simple things, water. أَفَرَأَيْتُمُ الْمَاءَ الَّذِي تَشْرَبُونَ أَأَنْتُمْ أَنزَلْتُمُوهُ مِنَ الْمُزْنِ أَمْ نَحْنُ الْمُنزِلُونَ. Allah says, have I brought this water down or you did? لَوْ نَشَاءُ لَجَعَلْنَاهُ أُجَاجًا. I will have more this water for you, cannot be able to swallow it, Allah says. He said, why are you not being grateful to me? Why are you complaining about other things? The sip of the water you have, I allowed the water to be here, and I made it sweet, and I made your tongue to enjoy it, and I made you be able to swallow it. Allah says so. Simple as that, brothers and sisters. If you and I leave this Jum'ah today, and the next sip of water we say, Subhanallah, I can feel the water. I can feel it. I want to thank Allah for it. You know, you become very happy with the sip of water. Only the sip of water. Many people around the world, they have problem with water. We're just talking to the president, visit us to the president of Somalia, where we need to have wells in places with a drought, or west of Sudan, or places where the people need water. Don't take it for granted, my brothers and sisters. We should not take it for granted. And therefore, we use our senses to enjoy what Allah has provided, but also become aware of it. Read Surah Al-Rahman, where Allah Almighty, every time He mentions a favor, He asks humanity loud and clear, فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. Which favor of your Lord would you deny? Allah says. Which favor of your Lord would you deny? That is a test for you and I, after we leave this Jum'ah, how we become aware of the gratitude, have the gratitude of the ni'am of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.